up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're bringing you to one of our favorite fireworks show spots for the Magic Kingdom. We already showed you Epcot, which was from the Disney Garage or from the Skyliner. We came over to the Contemporary Resort, which we're at right now, and we rode the bus from Disney Springs. Again, the parking is free right there. The bus brings you all the way here. To the fourth floor, which is where the monorail drives by through the building, and you come outside all the way by the glass wall.
We're viewing the fireworks today, and we found a really cool spot to show you. Honestly, probably a better view than in the park itself because you can see way more. So yeah, check it out.
Oh, the finale. Here we go. Here we go.
That was the finale. That was the finale.
That was super cool seeing the fireworks from here. This is definitely a go-to spot. Once we got here, we also realized that they have the stairwells all exposed, so you can basically go up to any level as high as you would like and face the park, and you guys can see the fireworks perfectly.